are going to make a classic Japanese dish of braised pork belly called Buta no Kakuni. To make this dish, pork belly sections are first pan-seared on all sides, then boiled in water for a period of time to help extract excess fat, then simmered with soy sauce, mirin, sake, sugar, ginger, garlic, and scallions until tender and packed full of umami. The portions of the ingredients we're going to need today for this dish are 600 grams of pork belly, 40 grams of sugar, mirin, sake, and soy sauce, 20 grams of scallions, 10 grams of garlic, 20 grams of ginger, and 4 eggs. Our first step in making this dish is going to be to sear our pork belly sections on all sides. To pan sear our pork belly sections. Now that the pork belly sections have been seared on all sides, we're going to transfer them to a pot to be boiled. After we've transferred our pork sections to a pot, we're going to fill with water just above and then turn the heat on and bring this to a boil and let it simmer for 1 hour before straining the meat out of the water. And now it's time to hard boil the eggs before we add them to the rest of the dish. We're going to do this by bringing the water to a boil and then leaving it boiling for 10 minutes. And then after that, we're going to transfer them to ice water to allow them to cool. After the pork has been simmering for an hour, we're going to strain it out of the water and then we'll continue with the next process. And now we're going to add the rest of our ingredients and simmer for 90 minutes. We'll start with our eggs, which we've hard boiled and peeled already. And we're also going to add 750 milliliters of water to this. We'll bring this to a boil and then reduce to a simmer and let simmer for 90 minutes. Braised pork belly called Buta no Kakuni.